Hello and welcome to Yarn School at the Orry Mill. If you have never knitted before, this is the right place for you. I'm going right back to basics in this part 1 of our Learn to Knit series. I'm going to focus on the knit stitch. I'm also going to teach you how to cast on and how to cast off. And with those basic techniques, we're going to knit a simple garter stitch beanie like this. We'll be working with super chunky yarn and 10mm needles, and this is excellent for beginners because the stitches are big, so they're easy to see and you'll get a very quick result. We put everything you need to knit the beanie into our complete beginner knitting kit. That comes with a ball of round big wool, which is a super chunky merino yarn, a pair of 10mm wooden needles, a darning needle, and that is all you need to knit the beanie. Then it's just press play and knit along with the tutorials. If you prefer to use stash yarn, that is absolutely fine too. You just need to bear in mind that if you're not using 10mm needles and super chunky yarn, your fabric you're producing is going to be either smaller or bigger than the one we're showing in the tutorials. But that's absolutely fine too. This is perfect for learning. Just follow along and I'll get you knitting in no time. So in this course I will teach you how to cast on using the long tail method. Then I'll show you the knit stitch in the UK way but also in the continental way. I'll teach you how to count your rows and join in a new ball of yarn. And finally I'll teach you how to cast off so we have a knitted fabric. And then it's time to finish off your beanie and I'll show you how to weave in your ends, sew up the back seam and gather the beanie at the top. So when you finish the beanie, I got 2 bonus patterns for you. One is a matching cowl, the other one a matching scarf. And that gives you the opportunity to practice the knit stitch a bit more. I have also included a video with the most common mistakes and quick fixes, so if something goes wrong, I have your back.